Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if your SIM is not working in your device Vivo Y35. So if you're having problems with your SIM in your device, you can fix them all by following the few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this video till end and you will learn how you can fix any problem related to your SIM in your device.